Here's the exercise 1 for the rhythm accompaniment on page 43. I'll play it without a metronome. I'll just keep a steady tempo right now. 1, 2, 3. Think of the melody as the lowest notes and having them ring for all the, what is shown here, mostly 3 beats. Here we have a little different. We have a different C chord than we've played before. We've been mostly playing this C chord, and we're adding the G on top. And you notice we're keeping G on top for the G diminished, so we have. All right. The hardest part of this tune is in the first ending, where you have 1, 2, 3, 1, G7, B7. Getting that smooth as when you're playing that B7, think of your 4th finger going to G and your 3rd finger going to C. I'll play that first ending again. I think this is the first time we're coming across this. We're having a first and second ending. Again, it's like a roadmap and a shortcut to writing this piece twice. Really what it is that you go and play the first line into the second line, and if you notice we have this bracket first ending, and at the end of the first ending there's a double bar and a repeat sign, meaning that you go back to the beginning. When you play it the second time, we skip and not play the first ending, and we go right into the second ending. So instead of writing this 4 lines, we're able to keep this on 2 lines and not have this book more than 300 pages. We can keep this as a shortcut to writing this music. So we're playing. There's the second ending. Good. In exercise 2, this is just an exercise to get the waltz feel and to try and get these chords smooth, and also to try and have space between beats 2 and 3. A waltz many times has the short second and third beats. 1, 2, 3. I'm using E chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When I make it short, it almost automatically gets accented. So it's bop, 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 bop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Playing an E chord and having the chord short is a difficult thing. I know that in the beginning of the book it says that you can use your right hand. That's a little tedious to keep a steady beat and continuous at a fairly moderate tempo. So what I do is I take my left hand and I flatten it. It's much easier when you're fingering every note and not playing open strings to control that. But right now I'll play exercise 2 And with my left hand, I will try and stop as much of the chord as possible so we have that feeling of long, short, short, long, short, short. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. First, try and get the chords nice and smooth, and then work on the release and the stopping of the chords.